Yeah, I'm Alec Boere from Infosys Consulting. I work in the AI and automation practice and I head up a team around data. Well, I work for an Indian company, I think in terms of the collaboration, I think there's certainly, in terms of how organisations in UK use Infosys is really from a technology delivery perspective. I think there are things in terms of some of the cultural differences. I think that could make it easier for us as a UK citizen to an Indian citizen to collaborate better. There's such a powerhouse in terms of what I see in India, which I didn't know before I worked at Infosys, in terms of what people can do and the drive and the aspirations that people have in India. Certainly in terms of what they're learning and I guess the immediacy in terms of really helping try to solve problems. How to better improve it? I think it's basically just people working together more collaboratively, and I think that's the only way. When you've got people who've got different backgrounds in teams, you see that. In my teams, I've got people from India, Eastern Europe, North America, South America, different cultures, different mixes, and you just see, and you get great products from that because you get different perspectives. And I think certainly more of that collaboration is the better. I think because it's informal, I think it's nice that you can have conversations off the back of some of the talks that are happening. There's quite thought-provoking talks or panels, which are really quite appropriate with regard to where we are in this moment in time, and then also thinking about what will happen in the future. I think that's great. I think the more people talk and collaborate with regard to things, as I mentioned earlier, the better. And it's getting different people's views on the world. And we're no longer a UK-based economy or an Indian-based economy. It's more global, because those are the demands. The team that we have in Infosys work across the globe, all from India. Sometimes they get into the countries, but I think it's that aspect of what we've got here, and some of the great ideas, some of the startup leaders I've met here, some of the people who are looking at policies, so the interjecture with regard to innovation and really how we're going to go move countries in terms of doing things better for the economies.